Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up and I am Caitlin, and today we are going to make a really awesome cold summer lo mein, because if you are like me and absolutely love regular old Chinese takeout lo mein, this recipe is going to be perfect for you for summer. So like I mentioned, I love good old lo mein from the Chinese restaurant. Veggie lo mein is like my go-to order. I love it. It's just so delicious, but let's face it, it's a little bit heavy sometimes and it's hot and it's not something you always want to eat in summer. That's why I came up with this really awesome cold lo mein salad. It has a little bit of some nice fresh ingredients, and it's kind of a nice compromise for when you want that lo mein flavor, but it's summer and it's hot and you're looking for something a little bit more fresh and bouncy in flavor. We're going to start this very easy recipe by making our own homemade dressing for this salad. If you have a blender or a NutriBullet or anything that you use at home to make a smoothie, then you can make this dressing as well. So we have 1/3 of a cup of peanut butter that we're going to add into our blender. So just kind of get it in there. After that, we have 1/3 of a cup of soy sauce. I like to use the low sodium kind. And we have 1/3 of a cup of rice vinegar. Mine is a garlic rice vinegar. So if you don't have a garlic rice vinegar, you might want to throw some garlic cloves in here just to kind of give that nice Asian garlic taste to it. We're almost done with our dressing. We're just going to add some red pepper flakes to give a little bit of heat to our lo mein. That is optional if you don't like it. And then about a tablespoon or so of sesame oil. After that, we're going to get this thing locked and loaded, get it all blended up, and then we're going to move on to making our lo mein salad. But let's blend this first. So the next step is to get your lo mein noodles ready. So you're either going to cook like it says on the package, or my Wegmans has in the freezer section cooked lo mein noodles that's perfect for this salad. So based on what you're looking for, either cook it like it says on the package, or just buy that nice package that I did and toss it in a bowl. So after that, it's just a few simple ingredients and you have yourself a delicious lo mein salad that you guys are going to love. The first thing that we're going to add is soybeans. It's edamame, but obviously not in the packaging here. So just go ahead and dump that into your bowl. I actually found a steamable bag at my grocery store where they were already peeled. Nice and easy. Who's going to complain about easy? Not me. You know, we're busy sometimes, especially in the summer when you want to be outside. We're always busy. So this next thing that I have to add here it's just some shredded cabbage. However, same thing, in my grocery store, they actually have a mixed bag of an Asian slaw, they call it. It's shredded cabbage, a little bit of shredded carrot, and some celery. It's perfect for this recipe because it saves you the work. You don't have to actually slice up that cabbage or carrot or celery. If you can't find that, then of course just shred up some of those vegetables that I just mentioned. But if you could find the bag of Asian slaw, it makes your life a hell of a lot easier. So then we're just going to start tossing that a little bit before we add some of our other ingredients. So like I mentioned, this is a cold salad. It's going to be served cold. I mean, you probably could do it hot, but it's honestly a cold salad recipe. So after that, we're going to add some just regular old green onion, but I'm going to save a little bit to garnish the top of my salad with. So go ahead and dump a good amount in there, but save a little bit so you got a little nice green up on top. And then same thing, we're just tossing in with our noodles. We're going to shake this all up eventually. It's going to be great. Some sesame seeds, same thing. Just get in a good amount of sesame seeds. We'll add more on top later, so to what you're liking. And then time for that delicious homemade dressing that we made. So just go ahead and dump it in. This dressing is to die for. You are going to love every last bit of it, so make sure, you know, we got to scrape it all out here because we want every last bit of it. Trust me, it is so good. The peanut, the sesame, you're going to love it. All right, we're going to toss for the camera, but then we're just going to whip out the top of this bowl and give everything a nice shake. So if you're lucky enough to have been making this in a Pyrex or a bowl that has a lid, you can just shake everything up and you can see everything mixing together. Shake, 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 shake. Awesome. Ooh, that looks so good. So excited. All right, so we're just going to give this one more toss here and make sure all of our ingredients come up, and look at that. Can you see that up there? That looks freaking delicious. We got our soybeans, we got our cabbage, we got some of those other veggies that was in that Asian slaw, a delicious homemade dressing. I mean, guys, this recipe is freaking killer. You're going to love it. Trust me. It is like the chill version of Chinese. It's perfect for summer. Make sure to hang out with me every Tuesday while we have more fun recipes. We're going to be killing it all summer, so make sure to check back. And find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking. I love chatting with all of you, so make sure to hit me up there. And other than that, guys, I will see you next time when we make more delicious food, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.